So that if f from a to b and g from b to c are 1 to 1, then g composition f from a to c is also 1 to 1. Suppose g composition f of x1 equal to g composition f of x2, which implies g composition or g of f of x1 equal to g of f of x2, which implies g of x1 equal to g of x2, g of x2, since f is 1 to 1, hence f of x1 equal to f of x2, which implies x1 equal to x2, which implies x1 equal to x2, since g is 1 to 1, hence g of x1 equal to g of x2, which implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, g composition f is 1 to 1 function. Example number 19. So that if f from a to b and g from b to c are on 2, then g composition f from a to c is also on 2. Let solution. Let an arbitrary element z belongs to C, then there exists a preimage there exists a preimage y of z under G, since z from C, that preimage in B. So that there exists a preimage y from A belongs to B under the map G, and G is on 2. Such that g of y equal to z, since g is on 2. Further, for y belongs to B, there exists a preimage x of y under f, such that f of x is equal to y, since f is on 2. Therefore, g composition f of x equal to g of f of x. Here f of x is equal to y, so this is equal to g of y. G of y equal to z. Therefore, g composition f is on 2. Example 20. Consider functions f and g such that composite g composition f is defined and is 1 1, or f and g both necessarily 1 to 1. Here, since that is here g composition f is 1 1, here necessarily f and g are both 1 1. Now we want to verify this result. First consider the functions. Consider a function f from set of 1, 2, 3, 4, then to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, defined as f of x is equal to x for all x, and g of x, g from set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as g of x defined as g of x is equal to x for 1, 2, 3, and g of 5 equal to g of 6 equal to 5. G of 5 equal to g of 6 equal to 5. Here f is, therefore f is onto divide for all values of x, but in the image 6 has no free image, so it is not onto functions clearly, and g is not onto functions, not a one-to-one function, because two images 2 free image 5 and 6 have the same image 5, so g is not a one-one function, one-to-one function. Now g composition f of x equal to g of f of x. G of f of x is defined for all values of x. F of x is equal to x. This is equal to x for all x. Therefore, g composition f is identity function, is one-to-one function, one-to-one. So this is not necessarily. Therefore, when g composition f is 1-to-1, but g and f are not necessarily both 1-to-1. If any one of the functions f or g is not 1-to-1, but the g composition f is 1-to-1. Hence the result.